नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं पारसनाथ। लाइफ हाई स्टडी आइस में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह राज्य विश्वविद्यालय अलीगढ़ के बीएड थर्ड सेमेस्टर एग्जाम 2024-25 जो 1 फरवरी 2025 से एग्जाम होने जा रहा है, उसके लिए पेपर 305 डी सेकंड अर्थात अंग्रेजी शिक्षण या इंग्लिश टीचिंग अर्थात पेडागोजी ऑफ इंग्लिश का यूनिट 2 मेथड अप्रोचेज एंड टेक्निक फॉर टीचिंग ऑफ इंग्लिश का प्रैक्टिस सेट 2 हल करेंगे। दोस्तों, प्रश्नों पर आएं, लेकिन उससे पहले प्लीज आप लोग वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए जिससे सभी लोगों को लाभ हो सके। लगभग 100 प्रश्न हैं, तो आप लोग प्रश्नों को पूरा देखिएगा। पेपर 305 डी सेकंड अंग्रेजी शिक्षण या इंग्लिश टीचिंग पेडागोजी ऑफ इंग्लिश, इसका यूनिट 2 मेथड अप्रोचेज एंड टेक्निक फॉर टीचिंग ऑफ इंग्लिश, इसका पार्ट 1 हल करेंगे। ठीक है, यूनिट 2 को 2 पार्ट में हम लोग हल करेंगे। सेकंड प्रैक्टिस सेट है, इसके पहले एक प्रैक्टिस सेट हल कर चुके हैं, तो आप लोग डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाकर लिंक का प्लेलिस्ट 305 डी सेकंड इस जगह पे क्लिक करेंगे तो इस पेपर की सारी वीडियो आपको क्रम से मिल जाएगी। क्लियर है? जस्ट इसके नीचे देखेंगे लिंक का प्लेलिस्ट ऑल पेपर है, तो वहाँ पर सारे पेपर की सारी वीडियो क्रम से मिल जाएगा। आप क्लिक करेंगे तो, या फिर आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर भी देख सकते हैं। ठीक है, कोई क्यूरी है तो 9654302596 पर मैसेज करके आप जानकारी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। आइए देखते हैं प्रश्नों को। पहला प्रश्न है, मेथड इज ए मीन्स टू एन, ए अप्रोच, बी एंड, सी स्ट्रेटजी, डी टेक्निक। तो मेथड इज ए मीन्स टू एन, सही जवाब हो जाएगा बी एंड। अगला प्रश्न है, ए मेथड इज कंसर्न्ड विथ ए हाउ टू टीच, बी व्हाट टू टीच, सी व्हेन टू टीच, डी whom टू टीच। तो ए मेथड इज कंसर्न विथ, सही जवाब हो जाएगा, ध्यान रखना, ए हाउ टू टीच। अगला प्रश्न है, देयर कैन बी मेनी मेथड विथ इन वन, ए प्लान, बी टेक्निक, सी स्ट्रेटजी, डी अप्रोच। सही जवाब हो जाएगा डी अप्रोच। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग आर बेस्ड ऑन ए साइकोलॉजिकल प्रिंसिपल्स, बी फिलोसफिकल प्रिंसिपल्स, सी टीचर, डी स्टूडेंट्स। राइट आंसर ए साइकोलॉजिकल प्रिंसिपल्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टेक्निक इज ए पार्टिकुलर trick used during the applications of a method, B approach, C plan, D procedure। सही जवाब हो जाएगा 5 का ए मेथड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग इन्वॉल्व द, ए मैक्सिमम ऑफ टीचिंग, बी टेक्निक ऑफ टीचिंग, सी बोथ ए एंड बी, डी नन ऑफ दीज। तो राइट आंसर है 6 का सी बोथ ए एंड बी, मैक्सिमम ऑफ टीचिंग, बी टेक्निक्स ऑफ टीचिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द 4 पिलर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज लर्निंग आर, ए लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग, बी रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, सी एक्विजिशन, डी ए एंड बी बोथ। राइट आंसर 7 का डी ए एंड बी, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मेथड आर अप्रोचेज टू बी adopted to teach a language are determined by। तो राइट आंसर 8 का ए, द एम ऑफ टीचिंग एंड द लैंग्वेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following statement is not true about approaches। तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा 9 का बी, इट ऑलवेज बिलीव इन सर्टेन मेथड और मेथड्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Which one is correct? तो right answer D. Method is based on some approach. Next question. The classical method include A. The grammar translation method, B. The natural method, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Right answer A. The grammar translate method. Right answer. Next question. A method of teaching involve a maximum of teaching, B. Technique of teaching, C. Both A and B, D. None of D. Repeated question है. Right answer C. A and B. Next question. Mother tongues is not used in A. Direct method, B. Bilingual method, C. Dr. Witt's new method, D. Grammar and translate method. Right answer A. Direct method. Next question. Which of the following originated in France? Right answer B. Direct method. 91 1901 Next question. Which is characteristic of direct method? A. Less stress or oral work. B. Audio visual material in use extensively. C. Use of mother tongues is not allowed. D. All of these. Right answer D. All of these. Next question. The direct method is also known as A. Natural method, B. Mother method, C. Reform method, D. All of these. Right answer D. All of these. Next question. The scholars who do not regard the direct method as a method are. Right answer A. P. Gurry and Dr. West. Next question. The direct method is interesting because it is a uneconomical, B. Save time, C. Is full of activity, D. Discourage cramming. तो राइट आंसर 18 का ध्यान रखना सी इज फुल ऑफ एक्टिविटीज. 18 का सही जवाब हो जाएगा सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंग्लिश becomes ... in the direct method. A. Difficult, B. Easier, C. Fluent, D. Confusing. Right answer C. Fluent. अगला क्वेश्चन है. इन द डायरेक्ट मेथड वोकैबुलरी इज टफ आफ्टर फॉलोइंग. राइट आंसर बी. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन एंड टेस्टिंग. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चरल अप्रोच. राइट आंसर बी. टेक्निक ऑफ टीचिंग. Next question. The direct method is. Right answer B. Inconvenient for overcrowded classes. Next question. Which method originated in French in 1901 and its principles here derived from Germany. तो राइट आंसर 23 का सी. डायरेक्ट मेथड. यदि किसी प्रश्न में संदेह है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डायरेक्ट मेथड डज नॉट teach it. A. Predict, C. Tells, C. Shows, D. Observe, observes. Right answer 24 का C. Shows. Next question. The major shortcoming of the direct method are: A. Absence of the use of the mother tongues. B. Emphasis on oral work. C. Inductive method of teaching grammar. D. All of the above. Right answer D का all of the above. Next question. The characteristic of the natural method is are: A. Direct relationship between the word and its sense. B. It unit is sense and not word. C. It uses audio visual aid on the extensive basis. D. All of the above. Right answer D. All of the above. Next question. Which method is also known as the Wurlitz method? तो right answer 27 का भी the direct method. Next question. Which of the following is also called classical method? तो right answer 28 का A. Grammar translation method. And next question. The grammar translation method is the method. Right answer C. Oldest. Next question. Which one is incorrect about grammar translation method? तो right answer 30 का A. It can be easily used in cover crowded classes. Next question. In grammar translation method, the basis unit of teaching is. तो right answer D. A word. Next question. Which method is used to teach word faces its with the help of learners' mother tongues? Right answer ध्यान रखना 32 का A. Grammar translation method. Next question. Which of the following method is useful in a heterogeneous classroom? तो right answer 33 का B. Grammar translation method. Next question. Which method guides the teacher to choose model sentences? A. Substitution method. B. Reading method. C. Direct method. D. Both A and B. Right answer 34 A. Substitution method. Next question. What is the primary focus of the situation method in teaching English? So right answer 35 D. Real life situation. Next question. Situational language teaching emphasis. Right answer 36 B. Pronunciation. Next question. What is the role of the teacher in the situation method? So right answer 37 B. Facilitation, facilitator and organizer. Right answer B. Next question. Situational language teaching in often associates with which language learning skill? 38 right answer D. Speaking. Which of the following is not a characteristic of situational language teaching? Right answer 39 C. Use of authentic material. लगभग 100 क्वेश्चन है, तो आप लोग प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, चाहे क्लास के बाद ही, बट लाइक जरूर करें कि आपको पता है हर सब्जेक्ट के अलग अलग बच्चे हैं, तो बच्चे कम हैं, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए। क्वेश्चन है सिचुएशनल लैंग्वेज टीचिंग एम टू डेवलप, तो राइट आंसर 40 का सी, बोथ फ्लुएंसी एंड एक्यूरेसी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which approach is closely related to the situational method? राइट आंसर 41 का डी, ऑडियो लिंगुअल मेथड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज इनपुट इन सिचुएशनल लैंग्वेज टीचिंग? राइट आंसर 42 का बी, एथेंटिक मटेरियल एंड डायलॉगेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सिचुएशनल लैंग्वेज टीचिंग इज बेस्ट suited for learner who pure teach? Right answer 43 B, practical communication skills. Next question, in the situational method language is learned through, right answer 44 B, written assignments. Next question, which of the following is a potential challenges of the situational method? Right answer 45 A, lack of focus on grammar. Next question, which of the following method is also known as army method or new key method? Right answer 46 B, audio lingual method. Next question, the desired goal in audio lingual method is 47 right answer B, both linguistic and communicative competitions. Next question, the alum is said to result in rapid acquisition of, right answer 48 C, speaking and listening skills. Next question, use of dot dot is highly discouraged in the classroom in alum method. Right answer 49 C, native language. Next question, strategies used in alum are A, dialogue memorization, B, repetitive drills, C, transformation drills, D, all of these. Right answer 50 D, all of these, A, B and C. Next question, in audio lingual method A, dialogues are memorized through drill and practices, B, mistake are corrected immediately, C, A and B, both A and B, D, none of these. 51 right answer C, A and B. Next question, in a language class students are memorize the dialogues through drill and practice, and the teacher is correcting their pronunciation mistake immediately the teacher is following the right answer 52C. Audiolingual method. Next question. Which historical event influenced the development of the audiolingual method? Right answer 53C. World War II. Next question. Who are the main proponents of the audiolingual method? Right answer 54D. Lodo and Frisch. Next question. Which of the following is a common technique used in the audiolingual method? Right answer 55C. Role playing. Next question. What is the primary goal of language learning in the audiolingual method? Right answer 56A. Communicative competence. Next question. When in a specific situation rules are applied, we call the method. Right answer 57A. Deductive. Next question. Inductive method proceeds from a heavy materials to light ones, B, known to unknown, C, simple to complex, C, D, both A and C. Right answer 58D. Both B and C. Next question. What is the primary goals of the inductive method in deductive teaching English? Right answer 59C. To encourage active student participations. Next question. In the inductive phase of this method, what do students typically do? Right answer C. Analyze language pattern from examples. Next question. What is the primary goals of the inductive teaching method? Right answer 61B. To start with specific examples and move to general principles. Next question. In the deductive teaching method, instruction typically begins with right answer 62B. General principles are theories. Next question. Which teaching method learning is often associated with discovery? Right answer 63A. Inductive. Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic of the deductive teaching method? Right answer 64C. Teachers present a broad principle and then provide examples. Next question. Inductive teaching often involves right answer 65B. Asking leading question to guide student discovery. Next question. In the inductive deductive method, which approach is used to introduce new language concepts? Right answer 66B. Inductive starting with examples and leading to rules. Next question. The structural approach emphasizes that. Right answer 67 A. Essence, essential structural structures and vocabulary be selected for teaching practices. Next question. Which method is used to help students understand and apply grammar rules in context? Right answer 68 A. Inductive and deductive. Next question. When should the deductive phase typically follow the inductive phase in this method? Right answer 69 A. Immediately. Next question. What is key benefits of using the deductive inductive deductive method in English language teaching? Right answer 70 B. It helps student becomes independent language learners. Next question. In the inductive phase, teachers often use dot dot to introduce language concepts. Right answer 71B. Concrete examples. Next question. The inductive deductive method can be particularly effective for teaching. Right answer 72B. Grammar. Next question. The inductive deductive method is most appropriate for which age group of students? Right answer 73 C. Middle school and high school students. Next question. Which of the following was invented by C.G. Donaldson? Right answer 74 D. Bilingual method. Next question. Which of the following uses mother tongues only at initial stage of the lesson? 75. Right answer C. Bilingual method. Next question. C.S. Bhandari has said, it is not a method, it is an approach. Any method can be used with it. Which approach was he talking about? Right answer 76 B. Structural approach. Next question. The bilingual method is dot dot method of teaching English. Right answer A. Improved. Next question. Which of the following is not true about the bilingual method? Right answer B. It was developed by H.E. Palmer. Next question. The sandwich technique is a bilingual method which has a three-phase structure of. Right answer 79 D. Error, correction, reproduction as drill. D is right answer. Next question. The teacher gives the meaning of difficult word in the pupil's mother tongues. This method used is. Right answer D. Bilingual method. Next question. What is the main challenge for teachers using the bilingual method? Right answer 81 C. Balancing the use of both language effectively. Next question. In bilingual method, what is the subtractive model? Right answer C. Enhancing the native language at the expense of English. Next question. The communicative approach lays emphasis on the right answer 83 C. Reference aspects. Next question. Who who propagates communicative approach? Right answer 84 A. Delheims. Next question. In the structural approach, learning materials is selected and graded, graded according to students A age, B needs, C mental level, D all of the above. तो 85 राइट आंसर डी ऑल ऑफ द above अर्थात एज नीड्स मेंटल लेवल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. which approach emphasizes interaction as the means and the goal of learning each language? 86 right answer A. Communicative. Next question. Which of these is the goal of communicative approach? Right answer 87 D. Appropriateness, acceptable language, C fluency. तो डी इसका राइट आंसर ऑल ऑफ द above. Next question. Which of the following approach advocates linguistic competence and performance? Right answer 88B. Communicative approach. Next question. Emphasis on interaction as both the mean and the ultimate goal of learning each language. Underline the approach. Right answer 89 D. Communicative. Next question. The communicative approach to teaching of language is related to right answer 90 D. Having the abilities of listening, speaking, reading, writing and meeting making. D is right answer. Next question. What is the primary focus of the thematic approach? Right answer 91 C. Integration of content around a central theme. Next question. The thematic approach encourages. तो right answer 92 B. Strict subject boundaries. Next question. Which of the following is a benefit of the thematic approach? तो 93 का राइट आंसर है सी. Enhance understanding of the real world connection. Next question. Thematic unit often begin with right answer 94 B. An open-ended question or topic. Next question. The thematic approach encourage student to right answer 95 B. Explore a variety of resource. Next question. Structural approach is also known as a new approach B. Improvement over direct method C. Oral or oral approach D. All of these. Right answer 96 D. All of these. Next question. Which of the following is a time consuming and laborious process? राइट आंसर 97 बी, oral approach. Next question, which of the following approach as a technique method does not accept oral? Right answer 98 B, grammar translate method. Next question, which of the following is a demerit of structural approach? Right answer 99 C, it is not for teaching of prose, poetry, grammar and pronunciation. C is right answer. Next question and last question. The structural approach to English is teaching the learner certain selected structures in a certain order is said by right answer A, C.S. भंडारी. तो ध्यान रखना दोस्तों, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाएंगे, लिंक आप ले 305D सेकंड दिया गया है, इस जगह पे क्लिक करेंगे तो इस पेपर की सारी वीडियो क्रम्स मिल जाएगी. जस्ट इसके नीचे लिंक का प्लेलिस्ट ऑल पेपर दिया गया है, वहां पर क्लिक करेंगे सारे पेपर की सारी वीडियो क्रम्स मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए. कोई क्यूरीज 9654302596 मैसेज करके आप पूछ सकते हैं. अगला जो हम लोग हल करेंगे यूनिट 2 का ही, ठीक है, मेथड अप्रोचेज एंड टेक्निक फॉर टीचिंग ऑफ इंग्लिश, इसका पार्ट 2 हल करेंगे. ठीक है, ये पार्ट 1 था. तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए. आपको पता है बच्चे थोड़ा सा कम है, निवेदन है कि वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने कॉलेज के ग्रुप या जो भी बच्चे बीएड कर रहे हैं राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह से, या फिर आगरा यूनिवर्सिटी के जो बीएड फर्स्ट ईयर के 106 का पेडागोजी ऑफ स्कूल सब्जेक्ट हैं, इंग्लिश जिसका होगा, उनके लिए भी महत्वपूर्ण है. क्लियर? तो वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद दोस्तों.